The crypto market seems bright, and right now Shiba Inu is bursting to an annual high. You therefore cannot afford to miss this video if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or own Shib tokens. What recent Shiba Inu token news then? Furthermore, how will all of these influence Shiba Inu's value? I will be responding to these questions in today's video, and I will be sharing all of the recent price-boosting data on Shiba Inu. I have spent a lot of time on this video, so make sure you see it through to the very end to avoid missing any information. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. However, let us first review the chart to see what Shiba Inu's pricing is doing on June 11th. Shall we then go to our subject? Today Shiba Inu's pricing is approximately 1360 units. With a 24-hour trading volume of $200 million, the price has changed 5% during the last 24 hours. Currently ranked as the 19th highest valued cryptocurrency with a market valuation of nearly $8 billion. The token also includes, please be aware, by the time you see this video, these rates could have changed. This material is not financial advice. Let us now turn to today's video. Shiba Inu surged 5% today for the following reasons. Rising to become the 20th biggest crypto asset per CoinGecko, Shiba Inu gained 10% on June 11th, flipping big heavyweights like Sui and Hedera. Today's Shiba Inu are driven by three catalysts. First, the Shiba Inu team has hinted about Shib Finance, a significant DeFi improvement including under-collateralized borrowing and reputation-based lending among other financial instruments. With ecosystem tools like Karma Engine, Shib Attestation, and a privacy-oriented identity layer, the next platform seeks to combine TradFi with DeFi. Shiba Inu also became listed on BingX Futures, allowing about 10 million worldwide traders of the meme currency to employ leverage. Third, lately its burn rate has risen, rising about 8,101%. Shiba Inu's everyday burn rate now exceeds 1 billion Shiba Inu coins in a single day. Shibburn claims that since its launch, the network has burnt more than 410.74 trillion tokens, leaving only around 589 trillion in circulation. Additionally, displaying indications of increasing optimism are on-chain data for Shiba Inu. Social opinion on the token has also become favorable, particularly with US President Donald Trump's Truth Social post on the official Trump meme currency. Trump Shiba Inu price analysis, rekindling of interest in meme currencies. Shiba Inu just broke out on the daily graph from a declining wedge structure that had been developing over the last 4 months. Usually indicating a possible trend reversal, this sort of breakout suggests that Shiba Inu may be preparing for a more forceful climb to the top. After overcoming a significant resistance and completing a classic inverse head and shoulders pattern, Shiba Inu might be looking at a 10% advance over the near term. As pseudonymous trader Satori points out, this breakout validates a bottoming structure that, should bullish volume hold up, would open the path for further upward momentum. Since May's downturn, Shiba Inu price has beyond the 25 and 50-day average movements, which are the first clear indication of a turnaround. Though it is growing as well, the money flow index has not reached the overbought level. With the MFI tracking buying and selling pressure, it seems that purchasing pressure is overwhelming the bears, which would help drive Shiba Inu farther higher as long as the rising trend maintains integrity. Derivatives data likewise confirms the upward momentum. Rising over 26% to $160 million, open interest suggests increasing money into Shiba Inu futures marketplaces. Its OI-weighted financing rate also became positive concurrently. With these encouraging signals, Shiba Inu's next possible objective seems to be 2,485 units, almost 65.7% above the present price mark of 1,360 units, and also represents its annual high to date. Should you still be viewing, it would be much appreciated if you could just hit the like button. It essentially supports the channel and costs nothing. Still, stick tuned to learn the most recent Shiba Inu developments and what the coin's future holds. It's time now for the central narrative of today's video. Team Shiba Inu agrees. Shiba Inu might spike 12 times to 18,333 units. After days of price rise, Shiba Inu just acquired upward momentum. This week, up an amazing 5%, the second biggest meme currency by market capitalization surpasses most highly valued assets. A Shiba Inu environment team member thinks considerably greater values await Shiba Inu within the northward trend. Lead marketer for the ecosystem Lucy has acknowledged that the dog-themed meme currency may be waiting for a possible 12-time spike into unexplored area. Shiba Inu's eyes 12-time rise, Lucy agreed in a recent comment, with a study projecting a several Shiba Inu increase to 18,300 units. She underlined its possibilities and said she cannot agree more with the optimistic analysis. Especially, the research came from crypto enthusiasts, a well-known market observer. The Tuesday revelation focused on Shiba Inu's rebound from a vital support, thus restoring its traditional cup and handle pricing structure online. Contextually, Shiba Inu's price behavior after its October 2021 top of 8,854 units has been cup and handle in nature. With Shiba Inu's March 2024 top at 4,567 units, the cup part fully came together with the handle online for completion. After rebounding from the lower support line of the handle at 1,082 units earlier in March, crypto aficionados have anticipated a continuous rising trajectory to reach their aim above the 1.272 Fibonacci extension at 1,827 units. The expert also stressed important levels to keep an eye on throughout the rise. One finds at the 0.618 Fibonacci stage at 3,117 units, the neckline of the cup and handle pattern. With a continuous push beyond the barrier, one would run to the 1.00 Fibonacci stage at 8,757 units, close to Shiba Inu's all-time high. Should Shiba Inu reach the level, the study projects an increase to the final aim of 18,300 units. With the present market value of 1,361 units, the asset would rise 1,137% to reach the until unheard-of price high. Other studies backed by rise to 10,000 units, especially the crypto elite, is not only in his forecasts of an explosion to 18,300 units. Other experts claim Shiba Inu will explode to levels not just near, but also beyond the price range. For example, well-known market observer Javan Marks thinks that a rise to 15,530 units would be guaranteed by robust demand and a continuous trend over its breakout point. Oscar Ramos, a market observer, said that while it will happen early this year, his realistic objective is 17,000 units. Citing the third rays of an Elliott wave structure, researchers charting Guy up the bullishness anticipate the meme currency will reach 20,000 units. The Shiba Inu squad has more ambitious pricing. The Shiba Inu team, meanwhile, has projected even greater price targets than the 12-time rise. Earlier, the heads of the ecosystems maintained that the meme currency may reach high values, including a 67,421% increase to 1 cent. Lucy lately emphasized the prospect, contending that one day the meme coin might be worth 1 cent. She advised the Shiba Inu people to be patient nevertheless, adding that reaching this pricing threshold would take some time. Please be aware, by the time you see this video, these rates could have changed. This material is not financial advice. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.